सुप्रभात. हाच्या कामकाजाक सुरू करूया. तारांकित प्रश्न क्रमांक 1 श्री चेचिल आल्लेमो.
Speaker sir, permit me question number IB.
1B.
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 Speaker sir, answer as per cyclostyle.
Hey, IB मध्ये आवाज आलो. Speaker sir, ह्यो पळय नर्स्यो हायर करून घेतलेल्यो आहात त्यो खंयच्यो गोंयच्यो काय खंयच्यो भायल्यो?
Because all the nurses that are recruited in the Department of Health, Goa Medical College, Dental College and IBHP all are as per the norms laid down by the recruitment rules from Goa itself. Except there may be exception in the Department of Cardiology where you may require specialized nurses, so there may be exception only there, but not in any other department.
पण स्पीकर सर म्हाका जाण जावपाक जाय हे जेन्ना 344 nurses have been hired appointed on contract. ह्यो नर्स्यो गांवान खंयच्यो गोंयच्यो ओ भायल्यो?
Because sir, like I mentioned, normally when any nurse goes on leave, her replacement is generally as per the recruitment rules from Goa itself. But there is an exception. There is some staff from outside Goa in the Department of Cardiology only. Otherwise, most of them are of Goan origin. Most of them are of Goan origin. Except I said cardiology, there may be an exception.
आमच्यो नर्स्यो कार्डियोलॉजिका तयार नाही म्हणजे शिकलेल्यो नाही.
Speaker sir, it is not about our nurses not being, because there are nurses who are specialized in cardiothoracic and handling those type of cases. So sometimes when the Department of Cardiology was started, we had to see that we have all the specialized staff that is required for the Department of Cardiology. And as a result of which, we had to recruit those nurses that are specialized. And now, I would like to also draw the attention of the Honorable Member is that we have started specialized courses in the Nursing Institute after BSc Nursing for specialization in cardiology and child care. These are the two additional courses which will be starting from this year. We have asked for recognition.
कित्याक हांव म्हणटा
Yes.
जेन्ना आमी इतले पयशे मोडटा हेल्थांत ह्यो आमच्यो गोंयच्यो नर्स्यो ज्यो आहा तांकां स्पेशालिटी सगळे तुमी ट्रेन करपाक जाय. आतां तुवें सांगिल्लें न्हू कोत म्हणून बरें. दुसरो आन्सर मागेलो 1347 नर्स्यो जाय तुका डिपार्टमेंटान. हांव म्हणत आमच्यो ज्यो नर्स्यो आहा गोंयच्यो कितलीं जाणां बाळे बिश्टी डेली वेजीस काम करता येता डेली वेजीस काम करता येता. हांव म्हणटा हेका तुमी फिक्स करा.
Speaker sir, all the nurses, as Honorable Member has said, is the total sanctioned strength is 1,347. Out of that, 98% are Goans. And as Honorable Member said, that in the past, the sanctioned strength of Goa Medical College was 554. Additional 100 posts were created, 72 were filled. And now, if you know, just to draw your attention, that again in the burns unit, as and when required, posts are being created. New hospitals are coming up, posts are being created. And in the last 15 days itself, we have advertised about 120 regular nurses. And like Honorable Member said, definitely priority should be given to the people already working on contract for last 7 years, 8 years. So some modality has to be worked out.
स्पीकर सर म्हाका एकूच सांगपाक जाय हावजान जेन्ना आमचे बोगलेक गोंयच्यो बायल न्हू गोंयच्यो ज्यो इतल्यो नर्स्यो टेम्पररी काम करता डिपार्टमेंटान टेम्पररी कितल्या वर्सां आमकां जेन्ना तेमची 2 वर्सां 1 वर्स तरी काम केलें आतां तुका हिंगा वेकन्सी खूब तूं आतां रिक्रुटमेंट करतलो तेन्ना तेंकां सगळ्यांक घेवन फिक्स कर म्हणटा हांव.
Speaker sir, there is a big problem where nurses have been taking UOL and going abroad and finding alternative employment for 2 years and all, due to which these vacancies arise and they have to be filled by on contract basis. Now we have taken a decision in the department is to curtail this UOL, because as a result of which the department is suffering. Hence we will be very judicious in giving these UOLs If it is related to enhancement of one's career prospect by taking education and coming back, then we will consider on medical grounds we will consider. Or what is their mandatory childcare leave we will give. Other than that, for employment abroad, we will be very judicious. We will ensure that every case is examined case by case and curtail this so that this thing doesn't arise. Now, most of the nurses who are working on contract basis are filling these vacancies which are there, creating a problem for functioning of the department. Hence, as a result of which, as you have suggested, that is the thinking of the government to see that maximum employment is given to Goans and Goans' interest is protected.
पण स्पीकर सर हांव आतां आख्खे इंडियेक तरी भयलो जाल्यार हॉस्पिटलान बी केन्ना कोण डेन जालो गेलो 90% नर्सीस केरळाच्यो 90%. पूण जेन्ना आमच्यो गोंयच्यो इतल्यो नर्सी आहा हिंगा हांवें म्हाका दिसता मिनिस्टराक एक लेटर केल्ली आहा ह्यो नर्स्यो आतां कितलीं वर्सां जालीं तिंगा कामां आहा तांकां तूं आतां फिक्स करपाक हांव मागता तुजे कडेन कित्याक जेन्ना आमच्यो नर्स्यो जे काम करून जोरून तांकां फिक्स करना आनी बोलते येवन तर फिक्स जाता हें सारकें ना.
Speaker sir, I assure the honourable member that all his, whatever he has mentioned about considering them will be taken into consideration seriously.
Thank you, sir.
Sri Rajesh Patnekar.
Speaker sir, while considering the job for these nurses, are you considering only the qualification of government nursing college, or there are some other colleges in Goa who are running the nursing colleges, one at Siolim, or you can say Vrindavan Hospital, they are also running the colleges for nursing.
That
So
is,
their qualification eligible, or they are affiliated to, they got the affiliation?
only Vrindavan is recognized, and whatever is there is already laid down, recognized by the government to go. As per that list, we cannot deviate from that list.
Because some lady nurses are coming to us for MLA, for the job purpose of government job. आणि त्यांच्यानी शिवोली बी जे कॉलेज आसा त्यांच्याकडे हे केला नर्सिंग कॉलेज नर्सिंग कोर्स ते पास आउट जाल्यात. सो दे आर एलिजिबल ऑर नॉट टू गेट दिस गव्हर्मेंट जॉब.
हे आर जे आहा नर्सिसच्यो ते आधार बदलल्या आणि आर बदलल्या कारणान वी आर स्कोप ऑल्सो हॅज बीन इन्क्रीज बट दॅट इज एज पर द लिस्टेड वॉट इज देअर विथ द DHS. नाव what your question is, I will again check up exactly which are the institutes and I'll give a list to you so that for you it becomes absolutely clear. I don't want to make a statement on the floor of the house. I know that Vrindavan is one of the institutes. Other than that, we have changed, RR has been changed for the nurses. Earlier it used to be only restricted to BSc nursing. But then it has been changed so that the scope increases, so that more people are eligible to apply for this post of nurses. But tumka je lists hai, I will see that the list is officially sent to you.
Okay.
Member Sri Alex.
Because I want to ask the minister whether he will make a study how many people are there, how many nurses are already there and working. Because without having details in mind, because there are 7-8 years, like our honourable member has said, do you have a case study of how many people or a study how many people are there, how many nurses are already working there for more than 6-7 years, so that they can be accommodated, and whether he will give an assurance that all those people will be accommodated first?
Because I can't give any assurance who will be accommodated, who will not be accommodated. Our like honourable member said, that out of these 344 nurses that are on contract basis, there are many nurses who have completed 4 years. There are some working for 8 years. Some working for 8 years. Now, when you do a recruitment process, it has to go through the recruitment process. Definitely, we must try and see that some weightage is given, like I just assured the honourable member, Mr. Churchill, is that people working on contract basis, justice should be done because there are Goan nurses working there. It is not the fresh one comes in there, but then recruitment process, I cannot bypass the recruitment process. But in that, we can see that the experience factor, we have to see that the experience factor of the nurses already working in the health institution should be given priority.
Speaker sir, माननीय मंत्र्यान म्हणटे प्रमाणे आमचे कलीग बाबा रेजनाळा विचारले की कितले कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचे आसात आनी ताका तुमी जेन्ना घेता तितले 1300 चिल्लर आतां न्ही घेवपाचे आसात तेन्ना तांकां पयलीं घेतले काय म्हणून ह्या मिनिस्टराक फ्लोरार सांगपाक हरकत ना नाल्यार घेता.
हांव लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनान प्रश्न विचारलो म्हणून उत्तर हांव घेतलो म्हणून सांगूं शकना कित्याक रिक्रुटमेंट प्रोसेस आहा. रिक्रुटमेंट प्रोसेस हांव बायपास करूं शकना. रिक्रुटमेंट प्रोसेसाक एक नॉर्म्स बरयल्ले आसा आनी सुप्रीम कोर्ट गायडलायन्स आहा त्या तरेन आमी वयचे पडटले. हांव जर अश्युरन्स हावजान दिले की हांव सगळे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचेर आहा ताका घेता, हांव दिवं शकना.
प्रोसेस आहा तो बायपास करून घ्या.
प्रश्न तुम्ही विचारता की अश्युरन्स हांव दिवं शकना.
पण स्पीकर सर म्हाका एक जाणता तुवें सांगलां रुल्स अँड रेग्युलेशन चेंज केला म्हणून. आता रुल्स अँड रेग्युलेशन चेंज पळय करता
रुल्स अँड रेग्युलेशन चेंज करूना
आर चेंज कर म्हणटा
आर चेंज केल्या की स्कोप वाडोवपाक फक्त BSc नर्सिंग न्हू ते स्कोप वाडोवपाक ते आमच्या आरारान आसा
ना हांव कितें म्हणटा
एडवर्टायजमेंटान आहा ते
हांव
घातल्या.
कितें म्हणटा थंय हांव एक नर्स म्हणटा 12 करून भितर गेल्ले आहा आनी तुवें रुल्स अँड रेग्युलेशन घायले ते हाली ग्रेज्युएट जावपा जाय वील इन ट्रबल
ताका लागून
ट्रबल
स्पीकर सर चडशे नर्सीस जे काम करता गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान ऑल आर BSc नर्सिंग मेजॉरिटी आउट ऑफ 344 80% are BSc nursing. I've already assessed, I already checked, and I've already asked for the list before coming to you when you asked the question is what is the duration of each nurse, how many years she's working. There are girls coming, they don't have any godfather, they come and say we have spent 8 years but we are not in a position to get a government job. But then the process has to go through. I cannot give a blanket assurance. We must work out a modality. We must work out a modality to give preference to people who are already working in Goa Medical College on contracts for so many years, because how can you bypass those people? That I agree with you, but then the process of recruitment should go through, and then we must have a system inbuilt where we can give preference to these people.
जाता अशें
स्पीकर सर आमचे आवय बापूय मरण गेले ते SSC करून आलो नर्सी घेवन हांव म्हणटा कितें BSc केले आनी आतां आमचे भुरगीं कोणा शिकपाक ताकत ना BSc केलें ना ते थिंगा वली ते खाली जोरोवपाची हेका बिश्टी हेका म्हणजे टेम्पररी सारकें ना कित्याक नर्स जाणा ती हांव म्हणा तांकां खूंय तरी घाल फिक्स कर खूंय तरी घाल तूं हाय लेवलाची घायना दुसऱ्या लेवलाची घाल तांकां पूण घालपाक जाय तांकां थंयल्यान
स्पीकर सर अशें मान्य हेल्थ मिनिस्टराकच न्ही बाकीच्या डिपार्टमेंटान सुद्दां जाता म्हणून मुद्दम सांगता हांव की काम करपी आसा कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेजीस काम करतात ते थंयच उरतात आनी नवी भुरगीं हे करतात हांव तुमकां हें बायपास करून घ्या म्हणना पूण जेन्ना ते तेंचें क्वॉलिफिकेशन आसा सगळें आसा जाल्यार तांकां पयलीं प्रिफरन्स दिवपा जाय अशें जायना काम कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेजीस करतात ते बरें करीत आसतात आनी नवी भुरगीं थंय कामाक फिक्स जावन वयतात अशें जावपा जायना तुमच्याच डिपार्टमेंटा अशें न्ही बाकी कडेन वचून घडटा अशें
आज रिक्रुटमेंट प्रोसेसाचेर पेपराचेर येयलो हा ऑन द पेपर वन रिक्रुटमेंट प्रोसेसाचेर कंप्लेन जायन तेजे एक्शन जालो हा ते भाशेन पत्ती जावपा जायना बट एज फार एज एश्युरन्स 5 years and above government servant and already policy decision now 5 years temporary work kota hai tanka already regularized coach already government has previously said before even in this house this issue has come up. I'm just reminding you.
So प्रश्न क्रमांक 2 श्री ग्लेन सोजा टिकलो.
Speaker sir, may I be permitted towards LEQ to
Answer as per cyclostyle.
Speaker sir, the questions I put forth says whether the renovation upgradation of primary health center at Aldona has been completed. Yes sir. If not, furnish the details of the pending work and reasons of pending is not applicable. The time frame by which the pending work of the PSC will be completed not applicable. Speaker, I would like to bring it to notice of my Honorable Health Minister. In fact, first and foremost, I must appreciate that this particular primary health center in Aldona, Gawar, was in a very, very bad state, in a deliberate state, which a lot of money has been put in the last 10 years, almost 1 crore 20 lakhs. A lot of good work has been done there, Speaker, sir, but there are a list of jobs which are still pending, which needs to be completed, where, in fact, I have already brought you notice of Honorable Minister that a letter was made to JIDC by the hospital visiting committee, and later my note was sent to JSIDC regarding incomplete work of primary health center Aldona on April 2017. And accordingly, JIDC replied and acknowledged on 25/4/2017 that work is not yet completed. And same was intimated to Honorable Minister by the Hospital Visiting Committee on May 2017. So I request the Honorable Minister to look in the matter. In case, if you want, I will read out the list of jobs. Almost about, there are small 21 jobs which are pending, and once this is done, it will be a complete story, and the people of my council will be happy. Almost 150 patients OPD come there visiting. And secondly, Speaker, sir, I would like to inform Honorable Minister that since the OPD is 150, I need another doctor there, because if one doctor goes on leave, it's a total chaos which is...
You are specific.
So, it's a question.
Yeah,
so my request is, I know he's a dynamic health minister, and will definitely oblige and do the needful.
Speaker, sir, honorable member has brought to the notice of the House that I just want to correct him. That approximately 1.5 crores rupees was spent during renovation. I think honorable speaker was the chairman of GSIDC at that point of time, and Mr. Francis D'Souza was the health minister, where on 28 December 2016, this was the refurbishment which was carried out was done. So what, if there is anything specific like honorable member has brought to the my notice, I'll sit with him, and whatever those additional things are there, we can again have a chat with GSIDC engineers who had taken up that work. This was done by Deshpande Construction, and their scope of works are supposed to have been completed. So whatever remains, we'll take it up. But about doctors, just give me a little time, because we're in the process of recruiting more doctors. So if we are, at the moment, we are running we are trying our best to see how best we can provide services everywhere, carry out OPDs everywhere. And I do agree with you that the OPD, there is a very heavy OPD, and we will try our best to see if we make some alternative provision.
Only give an assurance as to how long this will take to complete these jobs which is listed.
No, I'll sit with honorable. I will sit with honorable member now in the course of the session itself, and we can have a meeting and draw a guideline, exactly time frame.
Thank you.
तारांकित प्रश्न क्रमांक 3 फिलिप नेरी रॉड्रिगेज.
So, Speaker, I may be permitted to ask LAQ number 3C.
3C.
Reply is as per laid on the table of the House.
Sir, I have asked question as regards to government primary schools in Valley constituency, but I got a reply as far as whole Salsett is concerned, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, the हेतू हे क्वेश्चनाचो की आमी आमचे मुळावे शिकप हे गव्हर्मेंट प्रायमरी स्कुलांतल्यान केला आणि ते पासत वी हॅव सर्टन respect to this school building in our villages. This because sir, म्हाका जाण जावपा जाय from the Honorable Chief Minister कि इस्कोला how many years it has functioned for its purpose since its existence, number one. जे जाल्या इस्कोलांक घातल्या तेदासान कितली वर्सां ती चल्ली. दुसरो प्रश्न, since when it was declared closed? What are the reasons for its closure? आणि हेजे फुडाराकूय जी आसा एक्झिस्टींग स्कूलां चालू आसा ती बंद करपाची अशी डिसिजन येतली. Any schools are likely to be declared as closed in future?
स्पीकर सर, प्रश्न विचारला तो शाळेच्यो बिल्डिंगो ज्यो आसा क्लोज जाल्या ताजेर आसा. ताणें मागला तें डिटेल will have to be obtained from the department. If he wants, I can give it to him, but that information won't be available because it is basically about the school building which has been closed and what use it has been put to. If you want, I'll give you those information. As far as closing new schools, mainly the closure is because of drop of students. Students कमी जाले किंवा आयले ना म्हणून शाळा बंद पडली. अशी बऱ्याच जाग्यार म्हणजे दीज आर मोस्टली कोंकणी किंवा मराठी शाळा आसतल्यो. त्यो शाळा लोकांक काही जाणांक इंग्लीश जाय पडली तांच्यांनी इंग्लीश एका मिडियमाक घाली त्यामुळे ह्यो शाळा बंद पडल्यो.
स्पीकर सर, आता ह्यो शाळा थोड्यो कल्चरल इन्स्टिट्यूशन वा क्लबांक कोणे मागता तांकां दिल्या आनी सरकारान एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटानूय डिसिजन घेयला की तांकां थोड्यांक गव्हर्मेंट आंगणवाडी दिवपाक हेल्थ सेंटरांक दिल्ले आसा, हँडीक्राफ्ट लायब्ररीज ऑर विलेज जिम्नेजियम. सो म्हजो प्रश्न आसा स्पीकर सर, जेन्ना प्रायमरी स्कूल गव्हर्मेंट प्रायमरी स्कूल म्हणून ते बिल्डिंगाची आयडेंटिटी आसा ती आयडेंटिटी जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ अलॉटमेंट फॉर एनदर पर्पज द आयडेंटिटी वील गो ऑर आयडेंटिटी वील बी चेंज. फॉर एक्झाम्पल आतां आमी आमची शाळा गव्हर्मेंट प्रायमरी स्कूल सिरली, सपोज ती शाळा आंगणवाडी सेंटरां दिली, इट वील बी नोन एज आंगणवाडी सेंटर्स or it will be known as handicraft centers or village gymnasium. What would be the identity after allotting that space or a room to any other institution.
दुसऱ्या इन्स्टिट्यूशनाक ज्या कामा खातीर दिल्ली आसता ती ताजी आयडेंटिटी आसतली. एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटान मात्र ते प्रायमरी स्कूल बिल्डिंगूच म्हणून आसतली. म्हणजे एखादी जर तूं स्कूल बिल्डिंग आमी प्रायोरिटी दिल्या विमेन एंड चायल्ड बिकॉज दॅट इज ऑल्सो फॉर हे अंगणवाडी दॅट इज ऑल्सो इनडायरेक्ट एज्युकेशनच्या दिशेन वचणारी रिक्वायरमेंट आसा. त्यामुळे बरीचशा अंगणवाडीची कामां जी खंयच्या खंय आसताली ती त्या शाळांनी आयल्यामुळे भागल्या. तुवें पळयत धर तूं जाल्यार एक्सेप्ट 1 or 2 एवरीथींग इज बेजिकली अ गव्हर्मेंट यूज ओन्ली. बिल्डींग खाली उरत जाल्यार ती बिल्डींग मोडटा. कोण तरी ऑक्युपाय करीत धर तूं हँडिक्राफ्ट आसत विमेन एंड चायल्ड अंगणवाडी आसत किंवा हेल्थ सेंटर आसत विलेज पंचायत सुद्दां आसा तांकां जी दिली की ती बिल्डींग तरी जाग्यार उरता. प्रॉपर्टी स्टील बिलोंग्स टू एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंट. देरफॉर इट वील बी कॉल्ड एज अमकी अमकी प्रायमरी स्कूल बिल्डींग बट द अंगणवाडी वील बी रिफर्ड एज अंगणवाडी.
Yes, sir. I am happy to see that government has come out with a scheme. आमकां याद आसा जेन्ना आमी तुजे मंत्री आसतना we used to ask the use of this closed premises to the local clubs or the local institution. I'm happy to see this scheme in place called Scheme to Provide Government Land or Unused Government Buildings to Registered Cultural Clubs, Educational Sports Institutions, Professionals like Bar Association, Chartered Accountant, and he implements that in 2014. So it is on the record. Yes, since you have given me the entire Salsa, it is on the record. You have given me the number of rooms, all the build-up area. But in Choilas Tista, जे शाळेक 5 रूम आहात तितूंतले 2 रूम अलॉट केल्ले आसा हेर 3 रूम बेकार आसा. So my apprehension, Speaker sir, that the remaining 3 rooms should not be misused by the antisocial element. ते पासून हांव सरकाराचे नदरेकूय हाडटा जे आमी शिकिल्ले शाळा आयज मिसयूज जाल्ले आसा. अंगणवाडी सकाळचे आदेश तरी चालू उरली जाल्यार लेट इन दी इवनिंग्स जे ती चलता बाय दी एंटीसोशियल एलिमेंट्स ते आमच्यान पळोवपाक जायना. दे आर युजींग दोज प्रिमायसीस वीच आर वॅकंट. आनी अशें आसता स्पिकर सर जो बाग चालू आसा तितले पुरत्याक क्लेनिनस तितले पुरत्याक ते विड्स बी जाता ते काटा. द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ दॅट एक्झिस्टिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स आर इन वर्स कंडिशन. आनी तुमच्या रिपोर्टांकूय दिल्ल्या स्पिकर सर हिंगा एक हें आसा बिल्डींग आहा 4 रुमांची 300 स्क्वेअर मिटर बिल्डअप एरिया. पार्ट ऑफ इट ऑक्युपायड बाय विलेज पंचायत गिरदवली अंगणवाडी. थंय म्हणलें आहा बॅक पोर्शन ऑफ द बिल्डींग इज कॉलेप्स्ड. आनी एक आसा 75 स्क्वेअर मिटर इन शांदोर हँडिक्राफ्टा दिलां. डोर्स एंड विंडोज आर ब्रोकन फावंड ड्युरींग विजीट तुमचे विजीट जेन्ना जाला. सो पार्टली यूज एंड पार्टली जो अनयूज आहा तो ताका मेंटेनन्स ना ऑर इज अपकीप ना. आनी मोस्टली आमचे शाळेचे तरी हें चोयत जाल्यार प्लॅनिंग चोयत जाल्यार ताका लांबचे लांब बारांदा आसता. इट्स अ ब्युटिफुली प्लॅन विथ अ मँगलोर टायल्स सबंद फूल फासाड आहा ताका राम. तो वारांदा हॅज बीन यूज रातचे कितें कोत चलता. सो माय एप्रिहेन्शन इज दॅट शूड नॉट बी एनी इन्सिडंट लायक कोणाक मर्डर केलो तुवें कोणाक रेप जाली आनी ते उपरांत मागीर ते आमचे गव्हर्मेंट वील नॉट कम टू रिस्टोर द इमेज ऑफ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर बिल्डींग नॉर द इमेज ऑफ दॅट विलेज. सो ताजेर सरकार कितें उपाय घेतलो. हाव गव्हर्मेंट वील टेक प्रिकॉशन not to allow such bad incident to happen.
पहिली म्हणजे ते सर्वे करता कारण इट्स नॉट क्वेश्चन ऑफ ओनली सालसेत. देर आर मेनी मोर इन्स्टिट्यूशन विच आर नॉट फंक्शनल अँड बिल्डिंग्स आर लाईंग वेकंट ऑल ओवर गोवा. वी विल कंडक्ट अ सर्वे, फाइंड आउट द स्टेटस ऑफ द बिल्डिंग्स. इफ इट इज collapsed, then I think it is better to remove that collapsed portion. Exactly. So that automatically that area gets cleaned. But if there are partial use, the balance part, we will secure it, but only after doing the survey.
Because sir, I'm happy at least कि जो पार्शल जो रुईन जाल्लो आहा तो पार्ट पडून आनी दुसरे स्पिकरचो लास्ट क्वेश्चन म्हजे एंड आय वॉन्ट सम एश्युरन्स ऑर लायट फ्रॉम ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर स्पिकर सर पयलीं जे चित्र धरीत जाल्यार शाळा आमच्या ग्रामीण भागांनी चडशे देवस्थानांचे प्रॉपर्टी आसताल्यो विथ NOC they have constructed their building. A church has allowed their properties to come out with the primary school buildings. So I just saw primary school building bond padlan. Church buildings has been upgraded and सगळे surrounding आता improve जाला with lot of infrastructure. And ते थोडे शाळा अशे आसता बंद आशिल्ल्या कारणान it looks shabby, it doesn't blend properly with the improved infrastructure surrounding it. And थोडे शाळा अशे आसा की हिंगा एक शाळा आहा in Sarzora village. It is in a church premises. Church has been improved lot, church compound or church premises, but ती शाळा तशीच आहा. कोण ऑक्युपाय केल्ली ना नॉर कोणें क्लेम केला तसलो शाळा बी क्लोज आहा त्यो whether it can be reverted back to the owner of the original owner of that property instead of keeping that idle and looking it very shabby so that it can be discarded and put for a proper use by the original owner.
ओरिजिनल ओनर पयलीं जेन्ना पळय शाळा काडलेल्यो पयल्या मुख्यमंत्र्यान अनेक जाग्यार शाळा काडलेल्यो त्यो लोकां कडच्यान गिफ्ट घेतलेले थोडे कडेन लोकां कडच्यान NOC घेतलेल्यो आनी शाळा बांदलेल्यो काही भागांत तर अशे प्रॉब्लेम आमकां आले वाळपय एक केस अशी आली की गिफ्ट आमकां 2000 स्क्वेअर मीटर जागो दिल्लो आनी प्लॉट आहा तो कितें तरी 10-12 हजाराचो ताजे वयल्यान केस्तांव मागीर हांवें तें डिमार्केशन करून घेतलें देवूळ प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी आनी चर्च किंवा आनीक खंयच्याय संस्थानाची जर तूं जमीन आसत आनी ताका कन्क्लुजीव एविडन्स आसत जाल्यार ती ताका आनी शाळा बंद पडलेली आसत जाल्यार ती परत दिवपाक कांय हरकत ना दिले हांवें 2-3 देवळाच्यो येयल्या 2-3 प्रायवेट ओनराच्यो दिल्या ज्या जाग्यार व्हेरी क्लियरली एविडन्स इज अवेलेबल पण शेवटी गव्हर्मेंटाच्या ताब्यान आशिल्ली जमीन अनलेस यू प्रूव दॅट इट इज कन्क्लुजीवली ओनरशीप ऑफ समवन एल्स it cannot be handed over. But if there is some evidence of conclusive amka to concern institution or organization, if it applies to us, and if the school is in a dilapidated condition or non-use, then we can consider the request. Case to case basis. I can't guarantee.
It doesn't suit in your scheme to transfer it. A scheme in marfat ti tenga दिवपा सारकी हरकत
स्किमीची गरज ना that decision can be taken
so you have to decide case to case basis
where whatever evidence is there based on the evidence factual evidence we can take government can take decision to give back the land if it is very clearly the title is in his favor and I am not no more using it so it will require I can't promise it in a general format I promise only one thing that any such application will be seriously examined and we will try and find out some solution.
एक तुमकां problem है speaker sir शकता कित्याक those are used by the state election commission or election commission of India for
organization
voting.
Can promise election commission that they will not demolish the structure or if they want to construct something else they can take permission from election commission.
So thank you, Speaker, sir.
Or there can be an alternate arrangement.
Definitely, I assume that it will be solved, that transferring of the structure by case-to-case basis. If it is genuine, it will be.
Merit and genuineness, and if election commission comes into picture, by taking NOC from election commission or by giving an undertaking to them for the election purpose, they will allow the use.
Thank you, Speaker, sir.
Srimati Jennifer Monserrat.
I'd like to ask the Honourable Minister,